everyone here, welcome back to my channel or welcome back to day 18 of our new challenge, 28 days to splits. Let's get started. 5 minutes, your morning stretch starting in butterfly pose. So grab your ankles, pose your knees a little bit, exhale and let go any tension. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Lean forward, grab your toes, lean forward. And now grab your weights. Of course, this is absolutely optional, just to add more pressure, more resistance. Keep breathing. We still have 10 more days to give it all, to stay consistent, to practice daily. Breathe, stay focused. And here's your daily affirmation. I am worthy of celebrating myself. 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 Okay, lovely. Now let's move to the straddle. Both. I'm using both resistance bands today. I'm gonna try and do both with one hoop away. Let's see how it's gonna go. Keep in mind you can use only one or two bands. This is absolutely up to you and what feels right for your body at this point, because this is not a competition. We are working to improve our flexibility in general. Okay, I can definitely feel this. Okay, breathe, stay here, stay with me. And now let's try to go a little bit forward. Breathe, stay focused. Okay, nicely done. Okay, and now our favorite froggies. So on your knees, remember, keep your bum in line with your heels, okay? And open into the froggy stretch. And breathe and stay here. We're almost there. And slowly up. Okay, nicely done. This was day 18. Just 10 more days. We're doing so great. Amazing progress. Trust me. Trust yourself as well. And here's your daily self-love assignment. Go on a date by yourself. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Share this awesome challenge with your family and friends. And I'm gonna see you next time.